Apple's most anticipated smartphone of the year, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, is generating a level of excitement unlike anything we've seen in recent memory. As we move closer to the expected launch window between September 8th and 10th, 2025, Apple fans, tech reviewers, and industry insiders are collectively gearing up for what could be the most groundbreaking iPhone release in years. This upcoming flagship isn't just an annual refresh. It's shaping up to be a pivotal moment in Apple's smartphone legacy. From the completely overhauled internals to next-generation AI integration, a new titanium design, and advanced display technology, the iPhone 17 Pro Max promises to be more than just a smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future of personal computing on mobile. For starters, the A19 Bionic chip powering the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to be Apple's first to fully embrace neural network acceleration and real-time on-device AI capabilities. Built on a highly refined 3 nanometers plus architecture, this chip will offer not only lightning-fast CPU and GPU performance, but also drastically improved battery efficiency and machine learning power. It's not just about speed anymore. The A19 is expected to deliver a whole new level of personal intelligence, enabling features like live audio translation during phone calls, intelligent photo sorting, real-time document summarization, and an upgraded Siri that adapts to your routines, context, and preferences. Imagine asking your phone to summarize a podcast you missed, automatically edit a batch of images from your weekend trip, or draft an email based on a voice note, all without an internet connection. That's the kind of power the A19 Bionic aims to unlock. And it's going to put Apple at the forefront of the AI smartphone race. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is also expected to debut with an all-day battery experience, thanks to a rumored 5,000 mAh. The ATTERY, the largest battery Apple has ever used in an iPhone. But what makes this battery setup even more impressive is the charging flexibility. With support for 50 West wireless fast charging and 35 West USB-C wired fast charging, users can juice up their phone in minutes instead of hours. And according to multiple sources, Apple may finally introduce reverse wireless charging, meaning you'll be able to wirelessly power up your AirPods, Apple Watch, or even another iPhone simply by placing them on the back of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This feature, long rumored and highly requested, would finally put Apple on par with Samsung's Galaxy Ultra lineup when it comes to power sharing functionality. Now let's talk display. Apple is set to raise the bar yet again with the 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display that incorporates the second-generation ProMotion adaptive refresh rate technology, ranging dynamically between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. Whether you're scrolling through Instagram, playing high frame rate games, or simply viewing your lock screen, the phone will intelligently adjust the refresh rate to save battery, while delivering a buttery smooth experience. Even more impressive is the rumored peak brightness of up to 3,000 nits, which would make the iPhone 17 Pro Max the brightest smartphone display ever made. A major win for users who spend a lot of time outdoors or consume a lot of HDR content. The bezels are getting slimmer, the display is becoming more power efficient, and Apple might even introduce anti-reflective coating technology that significantly reduces glare under sunlight, improving usability in bright environments. But perhaps one of the most transformative features of this year's iPhone will be the camera system. Apple has made enormous strides in computational photography, and with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it plans to take things to an entirely new level. The rear camera setup will likely include a 4.8 MP wide sensor with an even larger aperture for exceptional low-light performance, a next-generation periscope zoom lens capable of 6x to 10x optical zoom, and a refined ultra-wide lens for improved macro and landscape shots. The front-facing camera is also expected to benefit from eye-powered facial detection, better portrait segmentation, and enhanced video capabilities, perfect for vloggers, creators, and professionals who rely on their phone to produce high-quality content. Video recording might also see a leap to 8,000 resolution, along with cinematic mode 2.0, better dynamic range handling, and more natural bokeh effects in real time. Whether you're shooting in daylight, low light, or motion-heavy conditions, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is positioned to become a mobile filmmaker's dream tool. Design-wise, Apple is going all in on premium materials and aesthetic refinement. After introducing titanium in the iPhone 15 Pro series, Apple is reportedly working with a new generation of titanium alloy for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, one that is lighter, stronger, and more resistant to scratches and dents. This material not only reduces the phone's weight significantly, but also elevates its feel, giving it a more futuristic, industrial look. The edges are expected to be subtly curved, offering better ergonomics while the body itself might be slightly slimmer than previous Pro Max models, potentially measuring under 7.4 millimeters in thickness. Durability will also get a boost with Ceramic Shield 2.0, offering better drop protection and scratch resistance. And there are even rumors about an under-display Face ID system being tested for the Pro Max, further minimizing screen cutouts and offering a cleaner, more immersive front display. Now let's talk color. In addition to the usual classics like graphite, silver, and gold, Apple is preparing to introduce fresh color variants. For 2025, sky blue, a cool and calming tone, and burnt orange, a bold, luxurious hue. These shades will reportedly be exclusive to the Pro and Pro Max models, providing a touch of visual exclusivity for premium buyers. If the success of past Pro exclusive colors like Pacific Blue and Deep Purple is anything to go by, expect sky blue and burnt orange to fly off the shelves. On the software front, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will launch with iOS 19, a major overhaul that prioritizes AI, customization, and privacy. The control center is getting redesigned. Lock screen widgets are becoming smarter and more interactive. And Apple is introducing AI-generated smart actions that automate tasks based on user behavior. iOS 19 is expected to include live translate calls, allowing real-time translation during voice conversations, and smart summarize, which can condense long articles, documents, and emails into brief takeaways using on-device AI. Health tracking will also be enhanced with improved health app insights, possibly powered by new hydration and blood pressure sensors being tested internally. Combined with the Apple Watch and AirPods, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could become a true health companion, offering real-time insights about your body, sleep patterns, heart rate variability, and more. When comparing the iPhone 17 Pro Max to the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup, its dominance is undeniable. The base iPhone 17 will likely come with a 6.1-inch OLED display, 20-hour battery life, and 35W wired fast charging, retailing at around $89,900 in India. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, at just 5.5 millimeters thick, with a focus on design elegance and wireless-first functionality. Expected to support 50W wireless charging with no physical buttons, the iPhone 17 Pro will sit just below the Pro Max with a 6.1-inch promotion display, 22-hour battery life, and high-end camera upgrades, priced at around $139,900 in India. But for users who demand the absolute best in battery, AI, display, design, camera, and overall capability, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will remain the ultimate Apple device, starting at $164,900 and potentially crossing to $110,000 for the top 1 TB model. There's more. Apple is also planning to enhance satellite communication features, allowing for two-way messaging and emergency calls in remote areas, even when cellular networks are unavailable. Add to that Wi-Fi 7 support, Apple's first in-house 5G modem, and possibly support for VisionO's connectivity to power future wearables like Apple Glasses. And it becomes clear, the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another iPhone. It's the foundation for Apple's next decade of technology. So, should you wait for the iPhone 17 Pro Max? If you're still using an iPhone 13 Pro Max, 14, or even the 15 Pro series, the answer is yes. The leap in AI performance, charging speed, camera capability, and design is substantial, and this device is expected to set the tone for every Apple innovation going forward for power users, creators, business professionals, and tech enthusiasts alike. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely be the most capable smartphone on the market, not just within the Apple ecosystem, but across the entire mobile landscape.